All right, so to start today's video out, it is John C. Fremont weekend. If you're not from Nebraska and from Fremont, you got no idea what's going on. But today we have a beautiful 1991 Nissan 300ZX Coupe, twin turbo. It is also 5-speed manual, as you guys saw in my shorts video a few nights ago. But we have this, and if you come over here, we have a Hyundai Elantra, which is JB4 tuned with an intake and a muffler delete, a few things. And then you have the Subaru you've been seeing on the channel, which has full exhaust and downpipe, intake, boost controller, yada, 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 whatever. But today, my maiden voyage will be made in this bad girl.
Hey, true, bet that up for the track. You know, take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts. Oh, yeah. If you broke, but you still.
Now, the Suzuki is also a man stick. So we have 1 manual, 2 manual, and 3 manual. And then that's an 8-speed dual clutch because Hyundai. Actually, he would actually outrun everybody here. Every single one of us. Even this, who has all of this pretty stuff done here. You can't really see it. Let's see if I can get, there we go. I mean, it just has carbon fiber just everywhere. It's got the actual hard intakes. I mean, it's got anything that can say Z that you would even think of. Nissan there, Z. It is just everywhere. It's got like authentic 90s JDM stuff on it. It is just cool as all hell in my opinion. But this is not what we're taking today. This bad boy is. All right, let's play a game of can you find the dipstick? It's somewhere in this area. Damn, semi's always making noise. If you didn't own one of these cars or you didn't know, the dipstick is back here. This one also has an aftermarket dipstick on it as well. But you didn't know, that's where it is, and you'd never find it if you didn't know at all. And I had no idea until the other night. All right, now that we've got that thing out of the way, I think it's in neutral. Let's see if we can, uh-oh. I don't know which key it is. It's got 2 keys on here. Oh yeah, listen to that belt squeal. Oh yeah. That's got to be the loudest cold start I have ever heard in my entire life. All right, we're in the little Tikes car, as you can see, and we're gonna give it a rip. This thing has absolutely no clutch left at all. I mean, like, the clutch is on the floor. Oh yeah. There's them in the Z getting coffee. And then the Elantra right behind them. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. yeah. Ready, foot to floor. Oh, that is the best thing I've ever done in my life. Ready, rev match downshift. Oh yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, foot to floor through first, second, and third just to do. Oh yeah, 45 mile an hour. Hey, it chirped the tires going from first to second gear. I am absolutely astonished. I gotta remember, this is not the Subaru, so there's a car coming over there. And I cannot just be ripping out in front of them. I don't know why the blinker turns on here, but it clicks over there. Haven't quite found that out yet. But let's go. Oh. That is so fun for absolutely no reason. Hell yeah, it's windy as hell. It's not windy outside, but it sounds like it inside this car. But I shit you not, I'm in 5th gear, foot to floor at 4,000 RPM, and it's struggling to do over 70. This Jeep over here, they flew past me, so I gave her the beans. And I flew right back past them, but I'm struggling to stay ahead of them. To even go up the slightest incline, I have to downshift into 4th or 3rd gear and put it all the way to the floor. But I shit you not when I tell you my foot down there is pinned. It's everything it's got, and we're just barely making just shy of 75 mile an hour. So I think everybody's gonna catch up to me pretty quick, but I'm trying to get a good head start on everyone. Hang on. Foot to floor. Had to get a pull through the tunnel, brother. Man, this thing is way more fun than it needs to be, but boy, does it struggle to do highway speeds. I love it. I'm gonna buy me one. Oh yeah, look at that thing. I will say this is probably the most fun I have ever had driving a vehicle in something that is so slow, only because it has this. If it didn't, also the shift knob just spins. I don't know if that's a thing for these, but the shift knob just spins. And I wanted to show you the little touches because it has like the little Tikes everywhere. It's cool as all hell. It's on some big old mud tires for this little tiny thing. I think these are like 15-inch wheels and they look huge on it. But it looks dinky as hell, and I'm absolutely enjoying the shit out of it. All right, so as you can tell, I am back in the little Tikes car, and the 300ZX did win 2nd place in the foreign class, and the thing that beat it was a fucking Hyundai Veloster that was bone stock and yellow. That absolutely irked me in ways I can't even explain, but at least she did win something in her 300ZX coupe. That was pretty cool. So
Right now we are on our way back to drop off her 2 cars, because this car and the 300ZX are obviously hers, and we were just driving them. So I didn't really show you guys any of the car show at all, because that wasn't what I was making the video about. I kind of just made the video as driving the little Tikes car and driving or seeing the 300ZX. But mainly about the little Tikes car because I thought it was pretty funny. So we are going to call this video a quits. I hope you guys did enjoy it, of me driving the little Tikes car, as it's, this thing's a little funky. I gotta roll the window back down. Might be wind noise, but it's very fun to drive, in all honesty. And I'm kind of upset to say that it is fun to drive, because I hated this thing the first time I saw it. But we did have some rain at the car show as well, so a whole bunch of people were just clearing out very quickly because it was just raining. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out and have a great rest of your night.
Hey, true, bet that up for the track. You know, take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts.